Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was recently a bit under the weather and I was so thankful that I had this weighted heating pad from Pasonio. I've had several heating pads in my life, but never one that was weighted, and this took the experience to a whole different and wonderful level. I was able to drape it over my shoulders and it stayed put, so I could feel its comfort even while I worked. It was great for my lower back and just simply to drape across my legs on the chilly morning. This heating pad is adorable with its polka dot design, and it's also extremely soft to the touch on both sides. The control panel was easy to use and understand, with 12 different heat settings and a timer that goes from 2 to 24 hours. I also loved how long the power cord was. Because of its long cord, I was able to use this in many different places in my house. So if you're looking for a new best friend to get you through these cold summer months, then you're going to love this heating pad from Pasonio. And that's my point of view.